Ja'Cory had some pieces of gum in his pocket. After lunch, he gave all the pieces of gum to two of his friends. How many pieces of gum did Ja'Cory have in his pocket before lunch if his two friends each received 3 pieces? To solve this problem, we will use this equation. X is the total number of pieces of gum Ja'Cory had at the start of the problem. 2 represents the number of friends he divided the gum between. And 3 represents the number of pieces of gum each friend received. X is our total amount, 2 is the number of groups, and 3 represents the number in each group. To represent this problem with tiles, we will use an algebra tile, an entire X, divided into 2 parts. The lower half of the tile is 1/2 of the X. Our equation states that X divided into 2 parts is equal to 3. So if I take an X tile, divide it into 2 parts, one of those 2 parts is equal to 3. If I want an entire X tile, because remember the whole point of solving an equation is to have the X isolated by itself, not half an X, but a whole X. If I want the whole X, I will have to double the 1/2, because 1/2 times 2 will give me a whole X. If I double the left side of the equation, I must also double the right side of the equation. So half of an X is equal to 3. An entire whole X would be equal to 6. I show this algebraically by multiplying both sides of the equation by 2, because I doubled the 1/2 and I doubled the 3. So I would also multiply by 2 on the left side and multiply by 2 on the right side of the equation. Dividing by 2 and multiplying by 2 are opposite operations. So that would leave my X all alone, and 3 times 2 is 6. Now remember, this works because dividing by 2 and multiplying by 2 cancel each other out on this side of the equation to leave X, and 3 times 2 again is 6. So Ja'Cory had 6 pieces of gum in his pocket at the start of the problem. The solution algebraically is 6, and the solution with the tiles is 6.